Hello everyone, today I'm introducing my brand new goal planner. Let's jump right into the video. You can use this planner to focus on one main goal, or you can duplicate the page and use one page for each goal you want to work on. As an example today, I'll be filling it out for a weight loss goal. First, under the main goal section, write down your main target, then move to the Smart Check section to validate your goal. What is Smart Check? This is a quick 5-question checklist that helps you confirm if your goal is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. If your answer is yes, simply tick the box. This section helps you think deeper about your goal and ensures that it is truly SMART. After completing this part, move on to the action plan. You can add up to 10 action steps here. For each step, you can select a status and a deadline. As you complete each step, tick the checkbox. The completion percentage and progress bar will update automatically. Below that, you'll find the milestones section. Again, you can add up to 10 milestones and assign a deadline for each. At the top of the page, there are 2 pie charts, one for action steps and one for milestones. These charts show the number of tasks and how many of them are completed, so you can visually track your progress. Next is the obstacles and solutions section. Here you can identify possible challenges you might face and write down solutions in advance. This helps you prepare mentally and stay ahead of potential roadblocks. Then you move on to the supporting habits section, where you define the habits that will support your goal and set the frequency for each habit. At the top of the page, under target date, choose when you want to achieve this goal. Days left will be calculated automatically. Under the reward section, write down what you will gift yourself when you successfully complete your goal to help maintain motivation throughout the process. Today's date is also automatically displayed at the top, and in the top right, you'll see an overall progress pie chart, combining both action steps and milestones to show your total progress. This goal planner is designed for anyone who wants to achieve a goal with clarity, motivation, and visible progress, and to consider every aspect of their journey. You can access the template from the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Happy planning!